Omwanchwa omuririrwe TV ya AGR News ndege ngambiole andonsi asole nigo cyabeire cinsa cyo kubaletera mangana maya asenchire gwikiranu unatekire ahiga semesi ituburalia litukeliga lya lero kolene litangani tonyora mangana yo asenchira yobwenge omurai wikiama kya ODM Raila Odinga nigo atebirenga nigo abeire okurwara sechi kisato wikabono kolende obwenere abwasa guchikoya serikali okoboko wikirania magendero asichisema ao aiga Kenya no muwaziri wechisemi aiga Kenya Professor George Magoha otebirenga matebwa taraiberwa amanene ayagendera tokokorekana asense ya Kenya na umukagerwa oyomo boboibi bwe myaka 32 woitwa goika gokwa ase ebunge ya Webuye imeye county ya Bungoma mangana yo asenchira yobwikirano Malitane Dennis Zadok omurai wikiama kya ODM aiga Kenya Raila Odinga nigo atebirenga nigabeire okurwara ase chikisato kobwatikana no burwaire bwa corona abo ase bono abwenire na gukwana ase county ya Nairobi Raila Odinga nigateba nigakoya serikali okoboko asogwikirani amagendero nigaringa kuyakwana iga ekero akora etaro yo gutarira gati ya magendero yoregendera tokokolekana ase county ya Nairobi abwase barenge no muraibwense Uhuru Kenyatta Raila Odinga nigo atebanga report wa BBI gwikaru chigwikiraniwa nyuma yechikura cyo mwaka ogoja gwechirubire na gwase 22 chitarakolekana aiga Kenya
kunialika nyumbani nitoke nje ili Wakenya waweze kuona sura yangu. Manake sasa kwa wiki 3 imekuwa hali ya mahatuti, lakini sasa nimetoka na nimefuraha kuona kazi muhimu ambayo inaendelea kule. Tumetoka kule kwa bus park na sasa tumekuja kwa hii barabara. Unavyojua miradi ya barabara zimekuwa sana katika roho yangu. Sisi tulianza kazi hii wakati ile, na nina furaha kuona kama hii kazi inaendelezwa kikamilifu na serikali sasa hivi. Sasa vile waziri amesema wamefanya pamoja na SGR, hii iliweza kurahisisha usafirishaji wa bidhaa kutoka huko upande ya chini kuelekea upande ya magharibi ya taifa letu. Kwenye wakati huu ni wakati ngumu, maana yake tuko na janga ya corona. Najua kiuchumi Wakenya wengi wanaumia, najua Wakenya wengi wanaumia kabisa, na tuna huruma kwa wale wote ambao wanaumia, lakini muhimu zaidi ni maisha ya Wakenya. Tuweze vile vile kulinda maisha ya Wakenya wakati huu janga ya corona. Kazi vile vile ikizidi kuendelea, najua kwamba serikali itachukua hatua ya kusaidia wale ambao wamepigwa vilivyo na hii janga wakati huu, hasa wale ambao wako katika hospitality industries.
Omuwaziri wechisemi aiga Kenya Professor George Magoha otuguteirare mangana gendera tukukwanwa ngamatemwa iklasi ge 12 KCSE nigagenderete kuibirwa sichisemo ao aiga Kenya akagukwana na barike mangana Magoha nigo atebanga wiberi wa matemwa tiboyo kolende gwikiraboniga abana batano na batatu nigo babikuru byara ase batuka babwate chisimya bo ase baguchikwimukiri gwegetambo keregetindi ne serikali na kubaraga byara abalimu abaibori amana abana ase bali bagenderete kubangaina nganko bahondeli bale amasakara ya matemwa eliyo bachiko yatumeka ase obiberia wa matemwa
has been very credible despite a few incidents and attempts to cheat, all of which have been nipped in the bud. I wish to most sincerely thank the team of top professionals, including the center managers and the multi-agency people who have been waking up earlier in order to get to the containers at 6 so that the examination process can start on time daily. I also want to commend all the center managers for ensuring that the COVID regulations are strictly adhered to during the examination process, and we thank God that up to now we have not had issues with COVID-19 problems. And I wish to summarize some key preliminary findings of the multi-agency sectorial report. Since we spoke on Tuesday, the new kid in the block is that there are now people who have started to sell fake papers, and I therefore wish to warn parents, guardians, and teachers not to be duped into buying or even utilizing the question papers. Our examination at the 99.9% of 10,000, when you take the 10, which is 0.01%, it's actually infinitesimal. Our findings show that, save for the few cases, all elaborate guidelines have been followed by the majority of the people who are taking part in this examination from 10,000 centers. However, 8 candidates, as at this moment, 8 candidates out of 752,891 were found with mobile phones in examination rooms, and appropriate action has been taken. A total of 15 cell phones have been confiscated from various examinations.
Omukagirwa oyomo woboibi we miaka 32 niko abiko byara no goitwa goika gukwa ase ebunge ya Webuye imeye county ya Bungoma bakukwana na balikia mangana abamenyi bensemeyo niko batebanga gati ya abaibi babere bako basumbwa so kubayibera etugo yabo abwaso yomobo abiko byara na goitwa goika ogukwa chinga kichicho abamenyabo niko bamochia abanyanyimbo ase obotemo kiketamukirwa kero boibo gendreto kokolekana ase ensemeyo bono umubere unyagusira nigo oirwa n'abanyanyimbo goika ase enkendo yenyagitalia nene ya Webuye.
Kondro yangu moja na mtoto yake ikaenda wakavyo kuku nikapata huko Obukonyi.
Hata watoto wenye wametoka shule juzi, watoto wenye wamefunga shule, kuna watoto wadogo tu na hata wanaiba. Akiiba kiambia mzazi, mzazi anafanya mtoto yangu haipangi, kumbe wanaipanga wakiwaletea wakikula.
Wikiragabo mwancho muri we TV ya AGR na hongo ya butorera mangana maya unateka SMS yituboralia asenchire wikira ndi tukeligalia lero wikachinga kichinde oyolenge magega ye kamera ko ene kinga mangana ya kuwikira asenchira ya bene nigakurukwa jese inse yoboteneri wa Jeremiah orina ontiri Marietane nigonkurukwa Dennis Zadok.